fractions where the decimals are there in the equation, right? So let me open the whiteboard. So we will start with question number 3, right? The question is minus 3y minus 7.8. Minus 3y minus 7.8 is equal to minus 9.6, right? So this is the question. So Abrish, how many terms are there in this equation?
Ma'am, 3.
3 terms, very good. So this is the only variable term. It is already on the left side, so we should not move it. What about this minus 7.8? We will take it to the
Other side.
other side. So this is minus 7.8. When it will go to the other side of the equation, it will be plus 7.8. Okay. So now minus 3y is equal to, so now we need to do this subtraction. Actually, they are unlike decimals. So do we need to add them or subtract them?
We will subtract them.
We will subtract them, right? When the signs are same, signs of you can say rational numbers, when they are same, so then we add them. They are like friends. But when the signs are different, so then we subtract them. So it means we will write down 9.6 on the top and 7.8 below. And we know the sign of the bigger number comes in the answer, so this will be minus. So now we will subtract them. So 16 minus 8 is 8. Decimal will stay here, and 8 minus 7 is 1. So the answer is minus 1.8. So now what to do, Abrish?
Ma'am, add the coefficient minus 3.
Add the coefficient in the denominator, or divide both sides with the coefficient, right? So minus 3, this will be gone. So y is equal to, so now minus divided by minus is a plus sign. So 1.8 go, we need to divide it with 3. 1.8 divided by 3. So I told you yesterday, when we divide decimals, we will just do the normal division. When we encounter the decimal, we put the decimal in the answer, right?
Just put the point on the top
Point
first.
there. So now it is 18, not 1.8 anymore. So now 3
Yes.
6 are 18, right? So answer is 0.6. Y is 0.6, right? Is it
Yes,
clear,
ma'am.
bete? All right, very good. So next question is 4y minus 1.9. 4y minus 1.9 is equal to 6.3. So this is also a similar question. So this minus 1.9, when it will go to the other side of the equation, it will be plus 1.9, right? So now how to add these two decimals, Abrish? 6.3, 1.9.
Ma'am, write it vertically first.
Write it vertically with the decimal under the decimal, right? Like this. So now we can just add it. 9 plus 3 is 12. Decimal will
And 1,
stay here. The 1 will go in the carry. So 6, 7, and 8. Then
8,
answer is 8.2. So now we will divide both sides with 4, right? So this is cancelled. Y is equal to, now we can divide 8.2 divided by 4. So 4 2s are 8. So there is no decimal. Now I need to bring this 2 down. So I will put a decimal in the answer, right? Because there is a decimal coming before 2. Then now this 2 will come down. Now I cannot divide it. So what I will do, I will put a 0 here and a 0 here, right? So because this is like you are taking 2 digits down. So whenever you do this, you need to put a 0 in the answer. So now 4 5s are 20, right? So your answer is 2.05. Any confusion in this division, Abrish?
no, ma'am.
All right. Right. So let's move on to the next one then. Next question is, Next question is minus 2.7 plus a. So minus 2.7 plus a is equal to minus 6.4. So how to solve it? A is the variable this time. Sabrish, what to do? Take this minus 2.7 on the other
Other
side of
side.
the equation, right? So this will be minus 6.4 plus 2.7. So they are
Yes.
unlike rational numbers again. So we will subtract them and the sign of the bigger number will come, right? So we will subtract these two, like we will write down 6.4 minus 2.7, right? And the sign of the bigger number remains. So the minus sign will come in the answer. So now 4 minus 7 to ho nahi sakta. We need to borrow. So this will be 14 minus 7, 7. And now this is 5 minus 2, 3. So 3.7 is the answer. Beta, any confusion in this?
No, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So there are like three more questions left. So let me open the book so you can tell me, okay, do you want to do the next three questions or not? So these three questions are left. F, oh, there are brackets. So should we solve them? F, G, H,
Yes, ma'am.
we should, right? We should solve them now. So F part is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied with 2x minus 2.2, right? And what is an equal? After equal, it is 4.6. So how to solve it?
Ma'am, the answer 4x minus
Mhm.
4.4.
Very good. Equal to 4.6. So now you can
4.6.
take this on the other side. So it will be
Yes. So it will be
plus
4.6 plus
plus
4.4.
4.4. So now you can add it 4.6 plus 4.4. So what is the answer?
9.0.
9.0. So 9 is the answer actually. So now divide both sides with 4, right? So this will be x is equal to 9 by 4. Or you can write it down as 2 wholes 1 by 4, right? Any question in
Yes.
this? It was easier,
No,
right?
ma'am.
All right.
Yes.
So let's look at the next question. 4 into 3y plus 4 multiplied by 3y plus 4.1 equal to 7.6. So now what to do?
Um, 12y plus 8.1.
8.1 नहीं है,
16. 16.
16.9,
1. 16.4.
16.4, very good, is equal to 7.6. Now take this on the other
Yes.
side, so it will be 7.6 minus 16.4, right? So now we need to subtract. So we will write down 16.4 and decimal under the decimal, right? So now the padding of
Yes.
zeros. So this will be 14 minus 6. What is 14 minus 6? 8.
8.
And 15 minus 7 is also 8. So 12y is equal to 8.8.
8.
और साइन किसका आएगा बेटे?
Minus.
Minus sign, because this is a bigger number. So now you divide both sides with 12. So this is gone and this will be y is equal to, now you can just cancel it. Like if you can cancel with 3, so 4 3s are 12, 4 2.2s are 8, right? So now you can just write it down like this, minus 2.2 by 3, or you can write it down as minus 22 by 30 if you remove the decimal, right? So you can still divide it. 22 by
Yes,
30
ma'am.
का simplified form क्या होता है? 11 by 15. So the value
By
of y is
15.
minus 11 by 15, right?
15.
No need to find the decimal answer. That's fine. Right, bete?
Okay, ma'am.
All right. So now we are left with one more question of decimal. We can see if, all right. So this is the last question. Uh, H part. 3 into 2 minus 0.84x. So if we expand this bracket, what will be the answer, Abrish? 3 twos are 3 twos are. If you expand this bracket, but can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So this is the. Do you want me to do this question also?
Yes.
All right. So last question of this, like last part is 3 into 2 minus 0.4x. So 3 into 2 minus 0.4x is equal to 18. We need to find out the value of x. So how what to do? What would be the first step?
Um, expand the bracket.
Mhm.
6 minus
Minus,
0.12x.
like not 0.12. When 0.4 will be multiplied with 3 na, so the answer 4 threes are is 12. Now there is one digit after the decimal na, so we will put the decimal here. Are you getting the point? When we multiply the decimals, so we multiply the numbers first. 4 and 3, so 12 would be coming. Now there is one digit after the decimal. तो 1.2 विल कम जो आपने बताया ना आंसर बता वो था अगर यहाँ पे 0.3 होता तो फिर 0.12 आंसर होता so this
Okay.
is 1.2x right is it clear कि how this is coming
Yes.
so now 1.2x is equal to 18 minus 6 so minus
Yes.
1.2x is equal to what is 18 minus 6 12 right so now divide both sides with which number
1. One.
huh?
Minus 1.2.
Very good minus 1.2 so minus 1.2 will come here so this is gone. So x is because there is one negative sign, so there would be a negative sign in the answer. So now just look at this. If I remove this decimal, let, let me just change the color. If I remove this decimal, so there would be a zero coming here. So now I can cancel 12 ones are 12, 12 tens are 120, right? So the answer of this question is minus 10. Is
Minus
it
10.
making sense?
Yes.
Is this clear and clear? We remove the decimal and we put a zero here, right?
Yes.
And then we can say 12 ones are 12, 12 tens are 120. Right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So now let's move on to the next question where the fractions are there in the question. You can see it's question number 6, right? Question number 6 is the equations are getting complicated. This is the question. So you before we solve, you need to tell me कि do you recall the operation जैसे हमने इस question में एक दफा operations decimals के recall किए थे. So do you recall the operations on fractions? Do you know how to add fractions? How to add or subtract fractions? Amrish, how can we add two fractions?
And by making denominator same.
Excellent, by making the denominator same. Make the denominator same, right? And then do operation. Do the operation. If it is negative, then subtract the numerator and then so on. How to multiply?
Um, um, multiply the numerator with the other numerator.
That's right. Okay, before that, it is simplify and then multiply. Like for example,
Yes.
if this is a question, let's say 3 by 4 is multiplied with let's say 2 by 9. So one method is usually what students do. They will write down 6 by 9 fours are is 36, and then we will cancel. Instead of this, we should simplify before multiplying. So this is 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. So we are left with 1 by 6. That is the answer, right? So the rule says simplify and then multiply. So now what about division?
Mom, first make it multiplication and make take the reciprocal of the other fraction.
Excellent. Take the reciprocal of second fraction. Take reciprocal of second fraction and change division to multiplication sign and then do the same multiplication method. ठीक है बेटे? So this is how you need to do, right? So now we can write down the question because there are fractions in the questions and we need to solve those fractions. So now the first question is x is equal to 12 minus 1 by 3x, right? So what to do?
Um, first
How many terms are there? There
3.
are 3 terms. So this x is on the right side, like on the left side, it is on the correct side. 12 is also on the correct side, but this is not on the correct side. So because x should be on the left side of the equation, so we will take it to the other side of the equation. So this will be x plus 1 by 3x is equal to 12, right? So now what is the coefficient of this x? Abrish, what is the coefficient of x when it is not written?
1.
1. So now it's up to you if you want to take x common. So this will be 1 plus 1 by 3. Okay, it's up to you. So now you know you need to add these two fractions. So to add the fractions, you will make the denominator same. You will multiply this fraction with 3. So ये आपके पास आ जाएगा 3 by 3 plus 1 by 3. अगर कोई चीज़ समझ नहीं आई ना Abrish, you need to tell me. Is equal to 12. Now if you add them, it is 4 by 3x. Right? 4x by 3 or 4 by 3x जो भी आपका है is equal to 12 by 1. Is it clear till this point? 4x by 3 कैसा है?
Mom, now here we have to take the cross multiplication.
Now we will do cross multiplication. Very good. So this 4x is multiplied with 1 and 12 is multiplied with 3. So this is 4x is equal to 12 threes are 36. Now divide both sides with 4. So x is equal to 9.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है बेटे. So अच्छा, there is another way of solving. अगर आपको ये मुश्किल लगता है ना तो you can do like this also. कि यहाँ पर मैंने x को कॉमन ले लिया ना तो you can do like this यहाँ से आगे. You can do like this also कि you will write down x by 1 plus 1 by 3 या x by 3. ठीक है, you can write down like this also. So now you can multiply this side with 3. तो ये 3x by 3 plus x by 3 हो जाएगा. Now you can take the LCM और ये 3x plus x हो जाएगा. 4x by 3. The same thing is coming. But it's totally up to you if you want to do this. x common ले लें, numbers को add कर लें या फिर x बीच में ही लिखा रहे तो भी it's fine. ठीक है. So which method you will prefer? Like when x will be inside और x को common ले लें?
First one, the green one.
First one, right? ठीक हो गया. Let's do that. Right? So now moving on to next question. So the practice of these questions is a must. Next question is 3 by 5x. 3 by 5x. 3 by 5x is equal to 1 by 2x. 1 by 2x plus 1 by 2. Now what to do? First of all, we need to rearrange the terms. So this is x term, this is constant, this is not in the right place. So if you take 1 by 2x on this side of the equation, it will become plus 1 by x, 1 by 2x. When you bring it to this side of the equation, so what will this be? Hmm? Minus 1 by 2x. Abrish, bete, I cannot hear you. Are you able to understand
Yes.
this step? Right?
Yes.
So now you can take x as a common. So if you take x common, so the fractions are 3 by 5 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Right? So now what how to make the denominator same? What to do? How can I make the denominator same? किससे multiply
Ma'am,
करूं?
with first with 2 and
Very
second
good.
with 5.
Excellent. So if I multiply like this, first with 2 and the second with 5, so it will be, what will be the answer? 6 by
Ma'am, 6 by 10 and
minus
5.
5 by 10, right? And x is still outside, 1 by 2. So now if you solve it, 6 minus 5 is 1 by 10x is equal to 1 by 2. अब देखो, we can write it down this as x by 10 is equal to 1 by 2. So you can cross multiply. This is 2x is equal to 10. तो x की क्या वैल्यू होगी? What is the value of x? X is 5. ठीक है बेटे? Any
Yes.
question?
No, ma'am. Mama, you have.
Y by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to 2 minus y by 3. Abrish, how many terms are there in this question?
Ma'am, 4.
4 terms. So 2 are the variable terms and 2 are the constants. ठीक है? So y by 2 will
Yes.
remain here. If I take this minus y by 3 here, it will be y by plus y by 3, right? So 2
Yes.
was already here. If you take minus 1 by 5, it will be, right? Is this step clear? Just we have rearranged it.
Yes.
So now we need to make the denominator same. So how to like how to do the denominator same here in this case on the left side? We will multiply this with 3
Um,
and y by 3 with 2, right? So now there is 1 in the denominator. So to make the denominator equal, I will multiply it with 5, right? I have changed the color so that it is visible. So now you can just write it down. 3y by 6 plus 2y by 6 is equal to 5 2s are 10 by 5 plus 1 by 5, right? So now what is this answer if you add these two? 3 plus 2y, 5y by 6. So now what about this side? 10 plus 1, 11 by 5, right? So now you can cross multiply. So 5y will be multiplied with 5 and 6 will be multiplied with 11. So what is the answer, bete?
um, 25 by is equal 66.
Right. So now you divide both sides with 25. So the answer would be y is equal to, so you can write it down in the mixed number maybe. So, or this can be the answer. 66 ko you can divide with 25. 2s are 50 and the answer is 16. You can write down 2 whole 16 by 25, right? जी बेटे, done? Amrish, is it clear बेटे?
Yes.
All right. So, can you try solving the next question? Like, can you start solving
Yes.
this question, next one, 2 by 3y? Let me write it down. So, the next question is 2 by 3y minus 3 by 4. 2 by 3y minus 3 by 4 is equal to 2y plus 5 by 8. So, can you, Abrish, can you rearrange the terms? Can you take the y terms on the one side and the constants on the other side, bete? Will you be doing it on your own, the whole question, or do you want me to do?
Ma'am, I can tell you the answer step by step.
Okay, just give me a minute. Let me close the door. I don't know why it's so cold. Just give me 10 seconds, okay? I'm coming.
Okay, ma'am.
Ji Amrish, I'm back. So let me share the screen again. Have you written the question? Amrish Bete, have you written the question? Oh, Amrish, have you written the question?
Yes.
All
Ma'am,
right.
you share your
So
screen.
I've shared the screen again. All right. So what to do? You said you will tell me. So will you tell me the answer directly, or will you help me in solving?
Ma'am, in solving.
All right.
Now,
Mhm.
make the denominator
Now,
same.
how to make denominator same?
First, on the variable side, add um, multiply 3.
Very good. And on the other side, 8 and 4.
It is correct, and add 2 with second fraction.
Very good. Very good. Excellent. So we will make the denominator same. So now this is 2
So,
by
2 by 3,
2y by 3
6
minus
by
6y by 3.
3 is
Okay.
equal
So this is 5 by 8 plus
6 by 8
6 by 8. So now we can combine them. 2y minus 6y by
by
3,
3, and
8,
then
or 5 plus 6. Now what is the answer of this, Abrish? 2y minus 6y.
minus 4y
Very good.
by
Minus 4y by 3. And this is 6 plus 5, 11 by 8. Now what
8.
to do? Now we will
Cross multiply.
cross multiply. So minus 4 के साथ multiply होगा 8, and 11 and 3 will be multiplied, right? So now what will this be? Minus
Um,
32 by
minus y is equal 33.
33. Now
Add
divide both
30.
sides with, that's right,
Minus
add minus 32. The y is minus 33
minus
by 32.
by 30.
ठीक है, या आप इसको इस तरह भी लिख सकते हैं मिक्स्ड नंबर में, माइनस 1 होल 1 बाय 32.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है बेटे, वेरी गुड, गुड. ऑलराइट. So now moving on to question number 7. Question number 7 is very easy. So Avrish, why do you think question 7 is easy?
Just we have to cross multiply
Very
like
good. Excellent. Excellent. Very good. So we just have to cross multiply. This is 2 by x is equal to 4 by 5. Very easy. So we can write it down. 2 by x is equal to 2 by x is equal to 4 by 5. So because only one term on the both sides, so we will just cross multiply. 4x is equal to 10 and x is equal to 10 by 4. 10 by 4 का simplified is 5 by 2, right? So this is the answer. Simple as that, right? So the second question is 12 by, let me change the color. The second question is 12y, 12y, y minus 1 is equal to 2 by 3. Amrish, can you see the screen? Can you see the screen? Can you see the screen, Amrish? I cannot hear you.
Yes, ma'am,
Be-
I am able to
All
see
right,
the
all
screen.
right. I thought you got disconnected. So we can cross multiply. Now, how can we write it down? How to write this down? 2 multiplied with y minus 1 is equal to 12 multiplied with 3. So now what to do on this side, Amrish? ये क्या करना है इसको? Bracket आ गई. We need to expand the bracket. Like अगर ये 2 is multiplied with both. So this is 2y minus 2 is equal to 12. 3's are is 36. Now take this minus 2 on the other side of the equation. So it is 2y is equal to 36 plus 2. So 2y is equal to 38. Divide both sides with coefficient 2 say. So y is equal to 219. Right, bete? Is it fine? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. So now moving on to, because we need to do how many questions? 8 questions. Right? So we will finish this exercise today. So moving on to next question. Oh, this one. So do you think this 8th question is easy or difficult? So how it
Easy.
is, this 8th question is yellow dot. So the easy ones are, basic questions are blue dot. So 8 is the first question with yellow dot. So why do you think 8 is more difficult than the previous questions? Because there are,
No, ma'am.
it's not, but the difficulty level is more because there are more negative signs. And you see the brackets are having negative signs outside. In the last question, there are more number of terms also. There are 5 terms. Okay, so yeah, this is how it is difficult. We can quickly solve these questions also. So the first one I can solve here. Can you see on the same page on the top? Can I do that? Can I solve this at least 2 questions here? Can I solve A part here, Abrish? Can you see it clearly? Can you see this, Vite?
Yes.
Hmm? All right. So when we will expand, what will be the answer? There is minus 3. क्या होगा? Can you tell me?
Um, A minus
नहीं, A तो मैंने part लिखा है, ये नहीं है. Like this, minus 3 into 2.
so now mm, say -6
Minus 6. Now minus 3
mi-
into minus 6.
and then plus 3x.
Plus 3x is equal to 6x. Then now what?
Now
Take
this
6x here and minus 6 here. The signs of
that
the signs will be changed. So it will be 3x minus 6x is equal to minus 6. When it will go to the other side, it will be 6.
yeah,
Right? ये step clear है ना बेटे? 6x
yes,
को इधर मूव किया है, प्लस 6x था, it is now minus 6x. Minus 6 को यहाँ मूव किया तो it is now 6. So now what is 3x minus 6x? 3x minus 6x. Amrish Pate, is it clear or not? 3x minus 6x is minus 3x. Now divide both sides with minus 3. So x will be minus 2. Is this clear or not?
yes, ma'am.
All right. So now, Abrish, do you want to do all these parts or I can skip B and C part?
Ma'am, this is to ma'am give question number 1 and question number 8 for homework. So I will do them.
Today? Is it the homework today?
Yes, tomorrow is off, and on Fridays it is also off. So ma'am give question number 1 and 8.
Oh,
So I will
so
practice.
one you have not done yet.
Yes,
All right.
ma'am. In
So should
school.
we discuss E part also? Last part.
Okay.
We can just do the last part together, right? So let me write it down. So last part is 3 into 5 minus h minus 2 into h minus 2 is equal to minus 1. So first of all, what should we do? We need to open the brackets, expand करना है. So can you help me in writing, Abrish? What will this be if we expand it? What is this if we expand it, bete?
Um, 15 minus
Mm,
3h.
right. So what will this be if minus 2 is multiplied inside?
Minus 2h minus plus 4 is
Very
equal.
good. Very, very good. Minus 1. So now this 3h and 2h are fine. So minus 3h minus 2h. And the rest of the numbers we will take on the other side. So this plus 4, when it will go to the other side, it will be minus 4. And this plus 15, when it will go to the other side, it will be minus 15, right? So what is minus 3h minus 2h?
um plus 5h is equal.
Not
um
plus, not plus बेटे. They are not multiplied, they are added. एक जैसे हैं ये ना, तो minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5, right? ठीक है, the
yes,
sign remains same. Like integers है ना, तो add होंगे तो the sign will be same. So now this one, minus 1 minus 4. So what is minus 1 minus 4? Minus 1 minus 4 is? It is minus 5. So now minus 5 minus 15, it is minus 20. Is this thing clear कि कैसे हो रहा है?
yes.
So वैसे भी आप count कर सकते हैं. They are all same. They are all friends. So 15 plus 4 is 19 plus 1 is 20. Sign remains same. So this is minus 20. Now divide both sides with minus 5, the coefficient, right? So this will be gone. And this is, what will be the answer? What is minus 20 divided by minus 5?
Mama, it is h or r. I can't understand your writing.
Which one?
Ma'am, the
Which one?
answer that is
And the answer what?
the answer. I can't understand your writing. You have written h or r.
It is H. Oh, this one?
Okay, now
Oh,
is
all right.
minus.
Right.
No,
This one, last step mein ye, this is H. So what is
yeah, h
minus
is
20 divided by minus 5?
plus 4.
Plus 4. Very good. Excellent.